G'day everyone, check out this awesome day, hey? We're out here on Sydney Harbour. This is one of the most beautiful harbours in the world. And I'm out here with the guys from Yamaha Marine Academy, as well as our Yamaha ambassador, Gareth Jones. And what we're going to do today, we're going to do a few things. We're going to try a little bit of fishing, but for the Marine Academy guys, we're actually going to show you how easy it is to have a bit of a sail around on Sydney Harbour. Because for a lot of new boaters or people that have got a bit of experience but unsure, coming out on the Sydney Harbour can be a bit of a daunting exercise. There's a lot of traffic. The water can change very quickly, especially when you're going under the bridge. And also, I know a lot of people look at Darling Harbour and think, geez, that's a place I'd like to go and park in my new boat and have lunch, but then people are not quite sure how to do it. So we've got Cory and Brodie here from the Marine Academy, and what they're going to do, they're going to explain to us today just how easy it is to get onto Sydney Harbour on your boat, have a nice look around, do it safely, and also organise a berth at Darling Harbour and how to dock there.
Yeah, g'day guys, we're here on Sydney Harbour, just next to the Harbour Bridge here. We're just out what we call the no stopping and no drifting zone under Sydney Harbour. Beautiful place to go. I call it the washing machine. It's one of those places where a lot of boats go and you're limited to 15 knots, so it gets pretty choppy underneath there. Always want to keep to our right. There's a lot of boats going every which way. There's ferries going 100 miles an hour. They are the priority, so we've got to keep an eye out for them. You know, take it nice and easy. We're doing 15 knots. We'll be ploughing a little bit. Just keep your eyes in all directions. Just keep going where you want to go. Make it obvious where you're going to head to, and you'll get through there nice and safe. Now, if you get a ferry coming straight towards you, do not panic. Give him priority. Just slow down, give him a wide berth, let him go ahead, and then just go behind him. Always go behind a ferry if you can.
You can see the water's nice and calm in here. It's not normally that busy. Keep an eye out for those markers underneath. They might be doing construction underneath this bridge, so you don't want to go through the wrong lane of entry. Pick the right one, it's nice and calm, come in. If you booked yourself a berth in Darling Harbour, as you get to the first bridge, you should be calling the guys, letting them know you're coming in anyway. When you call him, he'll tell you what berth you're going to go into. Look for that number, he'll meet you on the dock and then help you tie your boat off. If you're confused, tie up to the closest dock that's free and go straight to the marina office and he'll guide you in from there.
So here we are, the guys from the Yamaha Marine Academy have got us into Darling Harbour. It's an absolutely gorgeous day today, as it always seems to be here in Darling Harbour. We've moored up here. You can see in the background you've got all the restaurants. It's a really great destination if you want to come out for a great day's boating on Sydney Harbour. You ring the office in advance. It's probably cheaper to come in and do this than it is to actually drive into Sydney and pay for parking. If you'd like to learn more about using your boat on places like Sydney Harbour, or just to get a little bit more familiar with your boat, make it safer for you and your family, give the guys from Yamaha Marine Academy a call and they'll book you into one of their Know Your Own Boat courses.